So in this video of our trip down the Great Ocean Road, we have just left Geelong and it was our intention to go to Bells Beach to have a look at the beach there, but as we approached there was a big surfing competition on, so we couldn't stay. We got waved through and we ended up instead going to the Great Ocean Road Chocolatier and Ice Creamery, which was just a short distance away.
Chocolate factory. Tell me what do you think about that? Chocolate factory. Yeah, you like chocolate, don't you?
Yes, please. This is one bit, this is the other bit.
It's actually massive, this place, isn't it? Just further on than Bells Beach. The size of them, they're massive.
I'd be absolutely love these.
What's the only chocolate you have?
We've got dark milk and white to taste. What would you like?
The metre long chocolate boys. 1 metre long.